Hello, everybody. Happy Wednesday. I am back. Not officially yet. I'm still a little sick, but got a gift in the mail. A gift for myself. Um, this is an Armaf fragrance. This is Ventana, which is a Sauvage clone. Why did I buy a big ass Sauvage clone? Well, there's two reasons. Mostly, the first is that I love Sauvage, and the second is that I'm poor. No, I'm just kidding. I am poor. Most of us are. No, but we're budget fragrance people. We don't want to. I love Sauvage, and I really do think I should go pick up a bottle just to say I have it, and I do. I do love it and use it, but I heard this was pretty good, and it was so much cheaper than Sauvage. I had to try it. And like I said in my recent little update video, if this turns out to be something, holy shit, if this turns out to be something I enjoy, then that's a win, because that means that I'm going to be checking out Armaf's other stuff. I've heard some are hit or miss, but some of them I've heard are pretty good, and I love clones just as a concept, not even just for the savings. So first off, I love this box. Armaf. That's sharp. I love that. Now I've seen the bottle, of course. The bottle I think is kind of ugly, but I also like that. I like that. I don't really do unboxings normally, but I just got this and I figured, what the hell, Let's get all this crap out of the way. So here's the bottle. Yep, it's as expected. This is this is pretty tacky. I don't know what the hell they were thinking with this. Ventana means window. I think in Spanish, correct me if I'm wrong, it only took like 3 years of Spanish in high school. So I don't know if they were thinking that was a window, but it looks like a jail cell to me. Now the side, which I had seen in some reviews, has this like these holes on it, and it's kind of hard to see, but it has like a faux leather padding on it. And someone maybe it was Joy Amin. I think it was Joy Amin. He had mentioned this looks like it has to do with a car or like a gear shift or something, like with a high luxury car, maybe. And I can now kind of see that with this padding, but the addition of the holes freak me out because I'm one of those people that hates like holes and shit. Okay, sprayer. So the sprayer is awful. The sprayer's really bad. I'm gonna tell you straight up, okay? This cap's not that bad. Some people said this cap was very light and flimsy. I mean, the whole thing is made of plastic. These bars are not as flimsy as I've heard described. Yeah, the thing is, it's okay. It's not bad. I mean, it's made of plastic, but it feels solid and it's heavy as hell. This cap has also got some weight to it, so this cap's good. The sprayer is fucking terrible, though. Pardon my French, but this is flimsy as all hell. My dear Lord. It says Armaf on the top. I don't know if you can see that. I mean, it does look sharp. It's plastic, and, I should probably put that there, huh? It's to be expected, because it's such a cheap fragrance. I picked this up. I picked this up for like $22 maybe. So 3.4 ounce EDP concentration Ventana. We're now 4 minutes in and I haven't even sprayed it yet, but this is an unboxing as well as a review. So I might as well spray it and see, what we see. I've heard people say this is exceptionally close to Sauvage. I've heard people say it's identical to Sauvage. I've heard people say it's stronger than Sauvage. I've heard people say it's weaker. The biggest thing I get is that the opening is a little bit different. It's more fruity, and then it dries down to Sauvage. So let's spray it. That's kind of weird. It's kind of hard to get your arm around. Whoa, that is Sauvage. Whoa, that's cool. So that's my first reaction. That smells like Sauvage. Whoa. Good thing this hasn't been tampered with or is fake. I don't know, but the sprayer took a couple sprays. Quick tip. I mean, you old timers know, but when you get your fragrance for the first time and you press down on the atomizer to get your sprays out, it's not going to produce juice the first couple sprays. So you got to click it a few times. That's a good, not a foolproof way, but a good way to tell if, if it's been used before, essentially. First whiff, boom, Sauvage. You could tell by my reaction it immediately. I mean, without question, Dior Sauvage. Off the first spray. Now it's starting to dry down, and it is a little different. It's a little. It does have a little bit more. Sorry, this is like what is this? What am I doing? I'm in a good mood today. I'm sorry. I'm being a little wacky. It is a little different. And there is a difference with this. I believe there's no black pepper in this, which is a shame because I really like the black pepper in Sauvage, and I don't know why they wouldn't put that in here. I mean, it could be in here, but for what I've seen, it's not. And that is a bizarre omission from this cologne. I really think that they should have put that in there, because to me that kicks Sauvage. Some people don't like it because it can get too peppery, but to me, I really like that. It kicks it up a notch, you know what I mean? However, this is smelling very close. And yes, it is a bit fruitier, but it's more like... Sorry, the camera keeps autofocusing. It's fruitier, but it's not like, I'm not picking up like tons of fruit. I'm picking up just a slight sweetness, and it's not like sugary sweet or anything like crazy. It's just, and I almost don't want to say like perfume-like in a way, because I don't want to, make you think that this smells like a cheap older lady perfume. But there is a definite, like, some sort of sweetness in there. So yeah, I guess it's a fruit, but it doesn't come off as like fruity per se. It's not like the pineapple in Aventus or like the CK1 Blast. Sorry, I keep doing this, but it's easier for me to smell my wrist. Well, okay. It doesn't smell 100% like Dior Sauvage right now, but it smells very close. And that first blast I sprayed was pretty freaking close. But I've heard that this takes a while to dry down, and then on the dry down, it really starts to smell like it. So for the price, the $22 I paid for this, just from that smell, I don't think I can complain, because this is a lot of juice, brother. I mean, this is a lot of juice. This and even if this smells good on its own. I'm not really detecting anything bad about this. I mean, it does smell maybe a little bit synthetic, but it's a nicer synthetic scent I've smelled. This smells very good. Yeah, it's got a little bit different DNA to it than Sauvage, but that's okay. That's no problem. Maybe so I think instead of doing like I come back and talk about this later, I think I'll do an update on this in my week. Sorry, it keeps autofocusing. Stop doing that. My weekly updates I've been doing. So this would be a fun one to talk about. Like I said, not 100% Sauvage, but pretty close. But we'll see in the dry down. So far, I'm happy, though. I'm happy with this purchase, man. This smells good. This is, it's not like super, super close. It's not all the way there, but it's close enough to where I could wear this every day. This could become like a easy reach scent. It's smelling great. I don't know. It's not super strong, but I sprayed it here because I want to wash here, but this is not, this is a pulse point, and this is kind of weak for me on my body, so these spots in the neck are much stronger projection points for me, if you will. So yeah, anyways, that was my unboxing and first impressions of Ventana by Armaf. Kind of a cheesy looking package, but it's not that bad. It's not a piece of junk, and it smells pretty damn good. It smells pretty close to Sauvage. So I'll comment on all the projection, longevity, how it dries down in one of my update vids. Still a little sick, so I'm not going to be like every day probably, but I'm getting there. So, guys, thanks for watching. I'll be back with more fun stuff. Definitely going to check out more Armaf fragrances. Sorry that the camera keeps autofocusing every 2 seconds, but that's my life. Anyways, peace out.